Hi, என் நேம் அஸ்வதி. நான் வந்து டுடே சிபிஆர் அண்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எய்ட் ட்ரைனிங் செஷன் வேண்டி வந்திருக்கேன். அட்டன் பண்ணிட்டேன். இட் வாஸ் வெரி வெரி நைஸ் அண்ட் வெரி நாலேஜபிள். செஷன் வரதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஐ வாஸ் curious about like how the CPR is we have to give for other person and how things will be, and I was very afraid while thinking about CPR itself. After came to this session and I felt it's more of like our physical fitness to do the CPR, and I'm somewhat confident like I can do and rescue a person if he or she is lying in front of me and I'm in a situation to save that person. It was very knowledgeable. Glad that I have attended this session, and he was giving the information to feed us in our mind, like make sure that nothing is left. That kind of beautiful session we attended, and basic first aid for choking, food choking, for a kid or for adult, or even any, I mean the snake bite or bee stings, or even any food allergy happen, and like this kind of first aid things we usually won't know, like we will do something else without knowing the situation. Like, so he master clearly explained what are the first thing we need to do in the situation where we are in, and what are the steps we have to do, and again he was repeatedly telling even the basic and small information, so which we won't forget. It's kind of like he will make us to visualize the situation and apply the things on a person or victim who's in front of us. So I'm just glad I attended this session, and I'm recommend you all please attend this session, get more, I mean how to say, aware of this session, because we are in this century, like we are seeing even each and every day we are seeing people, or any news something comes up like a 20-year boy or a 18-year girl is having cardiac arrest and passed away. So each and every time we are hearing that news, somewhere we will feel like, is there any solution to make them alive, or within 5 or 10 seconds if you do something, then they can be alive by now, like that. So if each and everyone, I mean, get knowledge of this session, I'm damn sure like we can save more people, right? Because till now we are not knowing what is CPR and how we can prevent, I mean, cardiac arrest. But now after attending the session, and I'm really suggest you everyone learn and save the beloved ones, not only from our family, even the I mean the society, whoever falling down or somewhere you are seeing, it will really helpful to save a life. And please get a knowledge and attend this kind of training and get knowledge. Thank you.